How to set drive letter for flash drive in Windows 11. Using disk management. Step 1. Connect the flash drive. Insert your flash drive into a USB port on your computer. Step 2. Open disk management. Right-click in the Start button Windows icon in the taskbar. Select Disk Management from the context menu. Step 3. Locate your flash drive. In the Disk Management window, find your flash drive in the list of drives. Step 4. Change drivel. Click in the flash drive's partition. Select Change, Drive, Letter, and Paths. Step 5. Assign a new drivelter dialog that appears. Click on the Add button. From the drop-down menu, select a new drive letter that you want to assign to the flash drive. Step 6. Confirm the change. A warning may appear, informing you that some programs that rely on drive letters may not work correctly. Click Yes to proceed. Step 7. Check the drivelter. Your flash drive should now have the new drive letter assigned. Check this in File Explorer.